Hi guys and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to delete Facebook page without deleting your entire account. So it is really simple. Make sure to switch to your page on your Facebook. Then you're going to be heading over to this top right side of account settings. You can see we are going to be jumping straight onto settings and privacy. Once you do that, you can see we have settings on the very first place. So on the left side, you can see we have different tabs of preferences, audience and visibility. Below you can see we have your information. We are going to be heading over to access and control. Once you head over to that, you are going to be selecting either deactivate page. This is going to be temporary disabling your account. Then we also have this option of delete page. So this is going to be removing your page entirely, and the point to be noted here is that your account is not going to be deleted. So this is the exact option that we need. Click on continue, enter your password. If you want to download your information, you can do that, make a backup of it, and yeah, so that's it. And that's how you can delete your Facebook page without deleting your account.